Irie from Ras Miguel. So today I'm gonna make rundown, plantain rundung. I'm gonna make plantain rundung. So we're gonna need coconut milk, a stack of scallion, a spring of thyme, pimento seed about 6 or so, ripe plantain, coconut oil for frying, about half of a ripe scotch bonnet pepper. This is frozen. I freeze my scotch bonnet pepper. Parsley, a pinch of parsley, and a pinch of basil dried, and 1 garlic clove smashed, and half of an onion or a quarter diced. No salt. Ital food. This is a Rastafarian meal, and it's gonna be accompaniment with brown rice. It's gonna be accompaniment with brown rice. So now this is our coconut. So break it. I know I show you every time I'm cooking with coconut, I show you this step, but each video is an independent video. So break it. Remove the water. You can drink it once it's not sour. You see what I do sometimes? I tap it. If you tap it right around, if you're skillful, and you tap it right around, the shell will just come off easy. With some coconuts brand, some coconut species, because you know you have many different type of species. I like to use this knife because I don't have a peak. So take these apart as careful as possible. Just be careful of your finger in here. That's why, as much as I love coconut, I don't like this part. You can buy coconut from a can, but you know me already. The more natural a food is, the better it is for you. So it's best if you can take time out and do this. It's better than if you should buy. Remember I was telling you about the coconut apple? This is good. Can I have a once you get this all off, we're gonna dice it, blend it to juice. So rinse it off and we're gonna blend it to juice. So now, after you rinse your we're gonna blend now. So you just put your blender in. Alright. Put this aside, ready. And just put this in some nice little pieces and put them in. Half of the amount. I want to make this rich. And throw 1 cup of water. 1 cup. Just blend. Allow to blend for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright. You just pour it in this and let it run off. And do the second. Once that, just pour it on that. Although my blender is leaking, I pour it away from it and I don't pour it over it. I'm gonna buy a washer. So allow that to run off. I'm gonna move this. Alright, so once you do that, just kind of work it out. Just kind of rotate the spoon like this to kind of get the juice going. I hold it up high just to show you, but just stir this in. Stir. And once you do that, I'll squeeze it now. Alright, so once you get out all the juice, you just dispose of this. Alright, just cover this and put this aside for later. Now we're going to prep the onions, the seasoning. So just strip this, just strip it and clean it, the scallion. Off just the outer layer, the skin only. The garlic, 1 garlic. Just put your thyme. Wash your thyme and put it aside. Alright, first thing first, smash the garlic to pieces. Dice the onion. Keep them apart. Keep them separate. Dice the scallion. Let's put this. tomato. I put a Dutch pot to heat, a frying pot to heat. Add oil, add 1/4 cup of oil. You don't have to wait till it's hot, just add the oil. Some oil is in there already, but add oil. 1/4. Now this is our plantain. You just cut this and peel it. This is ripened plantain, ripe plantain. Alright. So you can use any amount that you want. And you just cut them into like that. Little chunks, about 1 inch in length. So you just go boom. Boom. It's just sugar, you know, but I don't like to use it because I don't think they carry worm. This is sugar. Plantain is sweet. Alright, after about a minute, put the stove gauge on high. We're gonna caramel these now, so let's add it. So just allow them to fry on each side for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until it's gold, like caramel brown, golden, like that. This took less than 10 seconds. Just allow them to fry. It's going to take less than a minute to fry it all around. You want to caramel it around. That's 1 minute already. You hear the beep. I'm timing it for you. So because you have it on high, you gotta watch it and stay with it so that it won't burn. And rotate it. About 2 minutes, just remove the ready ones. See, 2 minutes. Alright, so remove them and turn the stove off. Why I fry this on high? Because see, look how dry this is. See, when you fry it on high, it won't absorb the oil. It just creeps, and the same amount of oil is in the pot. So let's move this over. Allow it to cool. Once it comes to a cool, throw out some of the oil. That's the brown rice cooking. So see, too thick piece of cloth, and throw out oil and leave about that much, like a tablespoon. Just leave back a tablespoon. Alright, so light this back. This is our fried plantain. And just wait for 30 seconds or so. Let's let the heat go in. Alright, first thing first, add the onion and the scallion. You don't want to add the garlic first because the garlic burns quickly. You don't want to add the garlic first because the garlic burns quickly. So just caramel it. Caramel it for about 30 seconds. And now add 1 cup of coconut milk. And just stir it in. Put your stove gauge on 4. Add the pimento seed. The pimento seed. See? And then add the plantain. Stir it in just like that. This is all happening in seconds. So that's it. All of this in 1 minute. Let's turn the stove off. Add a piece of pepper, a pinch of parsley, a pinch, and a pinch of dried basil, dried parsley and dried basil. Alright. Put it time stick and just rotate. So that's it. Plantain Ital food rundown. Plantain Rundung. I'm removing the time stick, I don't want to splash. Plantain Rundung. Plantain Rundung. Ital food. No salt. But if you must add salt, add a little sea salt, just to spruce the taste up. Alright, let's sample this thing here. First, tastes good. So it's a nice way to have meat, and meat substitute without the meat. Try it with some rice. And it actually tastes good without salt. Ital plantain, Rundung plantain. Tastes good. my pepper. A little piece of pepper here make it hot. Gravy is nice. You see, I use 1 cup of water because it's just a small amount of plantain. But if you were using more plantain, use 2 cups. You see it good. The pepper make it nice. The pepper make it feel like it's salt is in it. So yeah, no foolishness. I'm even surprised because this is one of my creation. This is the first time I'm making it. It tastes good. It's very nice. So this is a way to pretend like you're eating meat when you're not. See it work out. It work out after a while. And the color was a surprise. I didn't know it would give this nice gravy rundown. All of this cooking less than all of this cooked down less than 1 minute. See, I put the camera on micro so it can pick up details. I don't know what that was. That too. I'm gonna give you a good tip. I don't know if you guys practice this, but whenever you're eating, you should practice to look at every single thing before you put it in your mouth. That if something strange is in it, you'll see it. You must see it. Something that don't look normal, you will see it. Just nice. Next, look out for carrot rundung. This surprised me. It really is good. You eat like a food. I could have just eat this alone with the rice, like food, you know. Just like no protein. Could I put some peanuts in it if you want protein? You see, really nice. See ya. Subscribe. Irie from Rastafarian. Irie, love you from Rastafarian. You take peace and I'll take the other one. This is me taking seconds just to make a point. Okay. It's sweet. It is sweet, number 1. It have a sweet taste. Number 2, it kind of feel like saltfish is in it, but no saltfish is in it. I don't know if it's the burn of the onion, the sauteing of the onion or what, but it gives it that meat feel. And trust me, not a piece of meat is in it. Second batch I did put a little salt on it, and trust me, it tastes better without the salt. The sea salt I used, but still, don't use any salt. This is Ital.